Alright, my dog's been working on this for like a week now. Finally. Well, I broke it a little bit already because I threw it downstairs in this bag and it landed on the tile. But here we go. I'm going to break this up a little more so I can microwave it. Here we go. Oh, this is fucking strong. Come on. Oh, that was a bad idea. Oh man, it went everywhere. I am glad I engaged my safety squint before I did that because that could have been dangerous. Anyways, some of these shards are too small. I'm not sure that they'll all turn out because I've seen videos where little bugs can survive microwaves, and I think this might be smaller than a microwave. Soak for 5 minutes. Need some more. You smell that? Let's check them. Oh yeah. Stinky. Ugh.